One of the most frustrating things that we deal with every day is we get contracts in that say as is, and the agent that wrote that as is contract has no clue that there is a FAR bar contract that they should be using. And what I mean by that is any real estate agent that's writing up an offer on a home, on the as is contract, the expectation is that it is an as-is deal. You either take it or leave it after your inspection. The FAR bar contract has stipulations in there for the necessary repairs that you're going to ask for. So use the right contract. One of the most frustrating things to a seller is they get an as-is contract on their home, and then here comes the other agent trying to renegotiate after the home inspection. There's a contract for that. It's the FAR bar contract for residential sale and purchase. That's the contract that you should be using if you're going to ask for any repairs whatsoever on a home inspection. Now, all this started in 2007, 2008, when most of the listings in the MLS were short sales. So the sellers had no money to be able to pay for those necessary repairs. So here came the as-is contract in popularity, but after the market readjusted itself, everybody continued to use the as-is contract, and nothing says inexperience more than using that as-is contract when we have two contracts that we can use. The FAR bar contract for residential sale and purchase and the as-is contract. You guys, many of you are using the wrong contract, and then you're coming back and trying to renegotiate the deal, and you wonder why there is so much conflict between buyer and seller. We, the real estate agents, are causing this by not doing our jobs and using the right contract when we're conducting real estate. This is how we make our living, and we're creating conflict instead of just using the right documents to make these deals go smoother.